Okay, hi guys, what's up, guys? Welcome back. So, I have this little advice for people that are into buying and selling online or offline. And you know that you are selling a physical product, and we have barely a month to round up this year. And if you have some people have products that are up to 2 years, 1 year in their shop, and these products actually they're no longer making money for you. So if you have some products that are like that, you can right now put them up for sales. Black Friday started last week for sales, going on up and down. So do not bother about how much I bought these products. I remember my mother those days. To sell some particular, so, do you know how much I bought this product? Do you know how much I bought this thing? Don't worry, so that the thing will leave, because the more that product stays with you, the more that product stays in your hands, you are losing money. One, the product is also losing its value. So don't worry about the overhead costs. Do not bother about how much you bought it. You are just making sure that that thing is leaving that space, so that you can restock your inventory and get your money back. It's very important to get your money back than for it to now be there at the end of the day. You cannot even sell it up to the amount that you bought it. So right now, prices are slashing everywhere. You can create a discount, give people discounts, let people know that you are doing sales. Something that you're selling for 25,000 naira, you can now bring it down maybe to the cost price. You know how much you bought it. You understand? Lower the prices so that you can get your money back. It's very, very important. Different sales, because after this now people are rushing to buy different kinds of things, and there are millions and millions of products. So you better use this opportunity right now, guys, to be able to sell whatever you have. I have done that before. I remember last year I have some particular shoes that are with me that refuse to leave my shelf, even the ones that maybe sometimes I have sold all the other sizes, and this particular shoe refused to leave. Immediately I dropped it down to 15K. Someone came and picked that shoe. And I got something back than leaving it on the shelf. Before you know it, you're losing money, you're losing the value. So, guys, use this opportunity right now, because Christmas lasts for only, let's say, 4 weeks. No more sales for some of those things. It might actually then will continue next year. You understand? So, you need the money back. You need a turnover, whether it's not a profit or anything, but let the money return to you. So this is the advice I have for you. If you're into buying and selling, it's very, very important. We have barely 4 weeks, guys. Use the opportunity, get into your Black Friday sales and get your money back. You understand? So that next year we start a new life on our sales. You understand? And our business. This is very, very important. Thank you, guys, and see you next time. Bye bye.